Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a Windows 10 installation USB with Rufus. Alright, let's begin. To install Windows from a USB, you need to make it bootable, and for that, you will need a third-party software. First, open any preferred browser such as Google Chrome or Firefox and search for Rufus. Open the first website that appears in the search results, and you will see the Rufus web page. Now, scroll down a little bit and download the first standard version of Rufus. Once the download is complete, open a new tab and search for Windows 10 ISO. Download the ISO file from the official Microsoft website. After you have both files, open the Rufus software. Next, insert your USB flash drive into your PC, and it will be displayed at the top of the Rufus interface. After that, select ISO image from the menu and click on the Select button. Navigate to the location where you saved the ISO file and select it. In the partition scheme section, make sure to select GPT if you have a newer CPU. However, if you have an older one, choose MBR instead. Then, change the name of the USB drive to Windows 10 and click on the Start button. You can then follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the process to complete. Once it is done, you can access the USB flash drive and make sure that the ISO file has been extracted successfully. So that's basically how you can create a Windows 10 installation USB with Rufus. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.